House in Faiha by Studio Toggle in Faiha, Kuwait. Running water carves incredible formations and the grandest canyons from impregnable and mightiest rocks. This truth inspired the architects when tasked with designing this multi-generational villa with a dense program. The clients approached the architects to design a home that prioritizes tranquility, open spaces, abundant natural light, and privacy. The program required the entire extent of the site to be built up, resulting in a volumetrically dense massing. How does one make this dense massing porous enough so natural light can filter through? How does one sculpt the massing to reveal hidden nooks and corners? The answer revealed itself with strategic deployment of the swimming pool and the resulting atrium as an ode to the water that cuts through stone. The house in Faiha, Kuwait, is home to a retired Kuwaiti couple and their 4 adult children. The villa is built on a 500 square meter plot with a full basement with sheltered parking for 6 cars and living quarters for 3 staff members. The ground floor is centered around a sizable swimming pool covered by a skylight, surrounded by an expansive living area, a dining area for 12 people, and an open kitchen. There are also 2 discrete doors leading to a private suite and a heavy-duty kitchen primarily used by staff. Naturally lit by the atrium and strategic openings on the main facade, 2 independent suites for 2 of the couple's children dominate the first floor. The second floor houses the master suite and another suite for the youngest daughter. The suite offers views of the garden and the swimming pool. The roof is left uncluttered for flexible utilization. This project ingeniously marries aesthetics with functionality. The self-shaded design gracefully mitigates the relentless desert sun, offering shaded patios and terraces as cool retreats that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living. Crafted from Italian travertine, high-performance glass, and dark metal trims, it reveals a subtly sculpted masterpiece. The glass and minimal aluminum trims soften the travertine's monolithic appearance, creating a visually stunning architectural ballet that celebrates form and sophistication. Step inside the house in Faiha, and you'll be greeted by an atmosphere of serene simplicity. Smooth, pristine white interiors create a canvas of calm, while accents of uniquely veined marble and wood trims add a touch of elegance. The contrast between the stark exterior and the delicate, well-balanced interior design is nothing short of artistry. Sustainability is at the core of this design. The self-shaded language, passive cooling strategies, extensive use of cantilevers and overhangs, and high-performance multi-glazed windows reduce heat gain and decrease reliance on active climate control. The central swimming pool and atrium act as heat sinks and enhance evaporative cooling. In a region where extreme heat and dust storms are common, the house in Faiha project defies the odds, offering a unique blend of climate-responsive design and architectural beauty. It's a testament to innovative problem-solving and artistic creativity. This project represents a fusion of artistry and functionality, setting new standards in architectural excellence.